Today we're going to learn one of the most essential dance moves. This is called the turn. First of all, you need to make sure you know which way to turn. I feel like if you're a right-handed person, you'll want to turn to the right. If you're left-handed, you'll turn to the left. It'll make more sense, okay? Now, if we're going to the right, all I want you to do is I want you to step in with the right foot, and I want you to cross over with the left, okay? And if you're a left-handed person, you do it the opposite way, okay? So left leg's in front, and then from here, we're just gonna unravel and unwrap our legs like that. That's how you do a turn. So we'll just do that one more time. This is for the right-sided people. Put the right foot in first, left foot over the top, then we turn around. If you're left-handed, left foot in, right leg over the top, and turn around. It's probably best if you learn both sides just in case you end up in this position. When you're dancing, you'll know how to get out of it. We'll do that one more time. So you bring the right foot in, left leg over the top, and turn. Unravel it like this. Now, if your legs are getting a little bit clunky and a bit twisted here, you probably just have to turn it out just a little bit quicker like this. So you go here, you turn it out, and as you turn out here, just step out with the foot. I'll show you that one more time. Step, turn it out, and just step out with the foot. I'll show you the other way. Left foot in, right foot over, you turn, and step out with the foot. There's also a little variation that you can do as well. You can actually jump out of it as well. So when you step in, cross the leg. When you get to this part here, all you have to do is just jump to the front. It will look like this. Step in, turn, jump out. I'll show you the other way. Step in, turn, jump out. Also, instead of stepping in, you can also just step across and turn. You can step across and turn. There are so many different ways to turn. What you need to do is just go away, practice it, and find which one suits you best. Well guys, that's how you do the turn. Remember those variations as well, and I probably suggest that you do it somewhere safe where you're not gonna knock your head out if you fall over. I shouldn't laugh. But yeah, do it somewhere safe and then practice it and perfect it. Do it slow, don't rush it. Well guys, thank you so much for joining me for another Moves and Minutes right here on my YouTube channel. See ya.